down that thing. How we are going to write down? That is that matrix A we are going to write down here. That is 1 1 1 2. Then we have 3 minus 3 1 2. Then 2 1 minus 3 minus 6. Okay, this is nothing but matrix A is equal to. We know that in given matrix we have first 3 rows. So I means denoted the rows. So 3 by 3 ka identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So yeah, identity matrix. Again I'll keep A as it is. ठीक है. Whenever I'm going to simplify, we can write down that A as it is. Yeah, ठीक है. एक मिनट. Rows columns इधर change करे या. We'll write down A as it is, and here the value of Q. Q means here we have 4. So we are going to apply 4 by 4 ka identity matrix. 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 3 हो गया ना. 1 2 3 and 4. या ठीक है. एक आई थिंक सो एक ज्यादा हो गया. 4 by 4 गए. Yeah. So we get that one. Be clear with that matrix A we have. IM means 3 by 3 ka identity matrix. IM means 4 by 4 ka identity matrix, because order is 3 and 4. 3 means we are going to apply for the row operation, and 4 means we are going to apply for the column operation. Remember that thing. Okay. Now check that how we are going to simplify that
Yes.
one. You want what happened? Is it visible?
सर ये
Yes, sir.
4 से भी बड़ा नंबर हो सकता है क्या IM और IN में?
IM और IN में डिपेंड्स 5 by
क्योंकि वो
5 तक जा सकते.
क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन में बड़ा आता है.
See, कैलकुलेशन में बड़ा इसका मतलब ये नहीं है. डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर. आइदर 4 by 4 भी आ सकता है, आइदर 4 by 5 भी आ सकता है, बट नॉट मोर देन दैट. 5 के ऊपर कभी भी नहीं जाता मैट्रिक्स. ओके, एट द मोस्ट 5 रहेगा, बट वो भी चांसेस कम है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 4 by 4 तक ही जाता है. आइदर 3 क्रॉस 4, 4 क्रॉस 3 और 4 by 4. ओके, मोर देन 4 कभी भी नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि वो सॉल्विंग के लिए उतना टाइम लेगा. दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, एट द मोस्ट 4 तक ही जाएगा. रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. या ठीक है. सो आफ्टर दैट वन वी नो दैट 3 रोज थे तो फर्स्ट रो में 3 आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स 3 वाला. 4 कॉलम्स थे तो 4 वाला आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. नाउ माय टास्क इज दैट जो नॉर्मल मेथड में अप्लाई करे थे, वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द सेम थिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दैट मैट्रिक्स इनटू द आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. So clearly, already we have one. Below that one, we are going to make 0. How? Change R2. R2 minus 3 times R1 and change in R3. R3 minus 2 times R1. So we are going to apply that one. R2 means 3 times R1, R3 minus 2 times R1. So just take that. R2 and R3 may change, so we can keep R1 as it is. What is that? R2 may change. R2 minus 3 times R1. 3 minus 3, we get 0. Here, minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 minus 3. We'll get minus 6. 1. 1 minus 3 times 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. And 2 minus 2, 3 are 6. 3 2 are 6. Yeah. So 2 minus 6 minus 4. Just check that now. What we are going to do? We are going to apply that operations over there. बस और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हम लोग. After that, check that here. R3 minus 2 times R1. R3 is my 2. So 2 minus 2, which is 0. Here. 1 minus 2 times 1. 0. 1 minute. 1 minus 2 times of 1 means 1 minus 2 minus 1 आएगा. Sorry. Just take that now. Mistake हो सकता है. Minus 3 minus 2, we get minus 5. and here we get minus 6 minus 2 times 2. So minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Okay. So always remember that when we are going to apply row operations, तो रो वाला मैट्रिक आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है उधर चेंज करेंगे, कॉलम वाला वी आर गोइंग टू कीप एज इट इज, रो ऑपरेशन के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट वन, कॉलम के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट वन. बी क्लियर विद दैट. So apply that row operations. What we get here? R1 same, R2 may change. 0 minus 3 times 1, so minus 3. 1 minus that 0, so 1. Here we get 0 only. R3, 0 minus 2 times R1, so minus 2. 0 only and 1 only. We get that. After that, keep A as it is. Take that. Here, here row operations are, so we can do change over there in row only. Remaining column we can keep as it is. Okay, so that one is fixed. There is no change. Now for the next step, once we done with zeros, हम normal form वाला apply कर रहे हैं. We have to make that position become zero by using column transformation. So what we get here, we have 1. C2 change, C2 minus C1. C3 change, C3 minus C1. And C4 change, C4 minus 2 times C1. Okay, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Check that. So C1 we can keep as it is. Okay, C1 we are going to keep as it is. C2 change in C2, that is C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1, we get 0. Okay, minus 6 minus 0, minus 6 only, minus 1 only, because there is no change, because I have 0 over there. So only change is here, 1 minus 1, 0. Then minus 2, minus 5. Next, C4, 0, minus 4, minus 10. So just we are going to apply in column. So check that what we get. When we are going to apply in column, we can keep row operation constant. So row wala operation means that values. So that values we are going to keep constant. What we get? 100, minus 310, minus 21. We keep as it is. There is a changes here now. Because column में कर रहे हैं तो column वाला we are going to use. Take that. So column wala means that same operation we are going to perform here. That is C1 constant, C2 may change, C2 minus C1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0. C3 minus 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0. C4 minus 2 times 1, 1, 0 minus 2 times, that is minus 2, 0, 0, 1. We get that. Okay, we get that values finally. Fine. After applying that one, next step, what? Once we get that values, now our task is that we want 1 over there. Take that. Instead of dividing, interchange the values. क्या आएगा operations? That is change in R2 interchange with R3 and R2 multiplied by minus 1. We get 1. Take that here. Okay. I'll write down, just hold on. Yeah. Take that here, interchange करेंगे first. What we get? That values 1 0 0 0 0. Interchange and minus sign. Please try to understand. I'll write down directly. ये इधर आएगा और माइनस से मल्टीप्लाइड, क्या हो जाएगा 0 1 5 10, क्योंकि माइनस से भी मल्टीप्लाइड किया. 0 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4 इज इक्वल टू रो इंटरचेंज किया है तो ये वाला कॉलम इंटरचेंज होगा, ये वाला मैट्रिक्स दैट इज इंटरचेंज विथ नेगेटिव साइन. तो ये 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 into keep A as it is and column wala again as it is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 0100